back to Desire2928Mink Lashes. Today is a demo and review of our new brow pomade. It is a gel brow pomade. It comes in two colors, which is medium brown and dark brown. And this is how it looks. This is the packaging. And this is the dark brown. And this is the medium brown. This is the color that I have on. It is waterproof, smudge resistant, and it is perfect for the summer. So the waterproof test so you can see as it is on my face. I'm going to use a Q-tip. This is a clean Q-tip. Nothing is on it. I'm going to swipe my brow. Nothing is on it except the foundation. But I'm going to use this part right here so you can get a better view. Nothing. I'm going to swipe the other brow. Nothing. So if you want your brows to stay in place for the summer, then check out my website at Desire2928Lashes.com. I have the waterproof brow gel pomade. It comes in a tube like this. It has a spoolie brush. Tired of your brows rubbing off during the summertime? Wait no longer. I have the solution for you.